Hey guys, we actually filmed this video a couple weeks ago while we were in Minnesota. We didn't think we had everything together, and so we just wanted to real quickly kind of tie in some loose pieces here, and then you can enjoy the rest of the video.
While we show you a lot of different chores in the van, we did not show you every single thing that happens on a daily basis. Things like doing the dishes or putting things away in the van or sweeping or, cleaning the floors, that kind of stuff. Those things are really no different than in a house, so we didn't really feel the need to share those with you guys. If you guys do have any questions about those, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below or over on social media. We will do our absolute best to answer those. Because we didn't show those to you guys, you may see more of Chris in the video today doing chores, but when you live in a van, there's two of you, you do find a pretty good balance. So the stuff that you guys see today, those are mostly his duties, but we have a pretty good balance, I'd say. So
yeah.
Is that a good way of saying it?
Yeah, that's a great way.
I do clean too.
She does 90% of everything. I'm just the one that's picking up the toilet up and down. So anyway, enjoy this video and we'll see you on the other side.
Hi, y'all. Why does this sound so southern?
All right, today is a special day because today we're taking you along on something very exciting, I don't know what another word for it. It's chore day.
Woohoo! I think this is going to answer a lot of questions y'all have asked us about how we do laundry, how does the propane work, that kind of thing. So we're just going to take you guys along. It's sort of, as Chris called it earlier, the perfect storm, where we actually have every single chore we could possibly have all sort of fallen on today, which is why we're taking you along. So things like filling up the propane tank and getting a car wash and laundry and all this kind of thing. So
emptying the toilet.
Woohoo!
Stay tuned for some nifty, gritty details.
So we want to take you guys along for it, and this is our day today.
Yeah, so let's go. Well, that was an event. So what you just saw was them filling up the propane. Super quick, as long as they figure out where to put the hose and what to do. So we actually use our oven and stove at least once a day, probably more like 2 times a day. So 16 bucks, having had to fill it up for the last 10 months, it's actually lasted a really long time. It's a pretty good deal. So super quick, super efficient, and I think we're ready to go on to chore number 2. So here's the thing about laundromats. They're either super nice or they're super not nice.
We're actually about to switch out our cheap little shower curtain for a Nautilus one, and I'm kind of torn about that because this actually works really well for hanging up clothes, but we'll figure something out. So, if you're curious how we store all of our clothes in such a small area, it's literally the same thing we wear over and over. And this is one wild workout shirt, the red one. So this, when I talk about laundry being my least favorite day of the week, this is why. To get to the bathroom, there's laundry. And to get to the front, there's more laundry. And you have to leave them like spread all the way out so they dry. But to like
surprise
through to come up here, and it's super annoying, but it's just part of it. It's only one day a week. Something else we didn't show you guys is we actually stopped by Walmart and grabbed more RV toilet paper. They do make a certain kind of toilet paper for RVs. It just breaks down faster. We were out, so we grabbed more, and yeah, I don't think it's any more than normal toilet paper, but it's not as plush and soft as at home, but you make do.
Most dump stations have a water hose that you can normally use to clean everything out. This one does not. It actually just has a faucet, so we always carry around an extra water hose, our black water hose. It's actually green, but it's for black water, and we're gonna clean the toilet. So we have our black water tablet that I just put inside. It helps break down everything with inside the toilet so it doesn't stink as much. They're really cheap. You can get them at Walmart, Cabela's, any like RV section store has them. And then the last little bit with this toilet is you gotta fill up with the water. And so this is how you flush. And that's it. Chore day's almost done.
Thank you. What do you think, Kramer?
Disgusting. It's really not that bad cleaning the toilet out. So if you're ever thinking about a cassette toilet, it's super easy and it doesn't take a lot to clean it. So today we're actually at a campsite where they have dump stations. Sometimes it does pay to get a campsite, so you're able to do this and get water and hit a lot of things at the same time. Out west of the country, there's tons of dump stations that are for free. You don't have to pay anything, which is amazing. So we're actually back in the Midwest where it's a little bit, it's harder to find dump stations that are free. And so sometimes it pays to do a campsite. Other places like Cabela's offers dump. Flying J, they offer a dump and water, but obviously those cost money. Normally anywhere from $7 to $15 in between there. So you can use Allstays or iOverlander if you want to find dumps. It's super easy to find that. A lot of people have been generous enough to ID the locations. It makes traveling a heck of a lot easier. Now we get to do the freshwater, which is at our campsite. So I will show you how we do it. Okay, so we have two water hoses, one for the black water like I showed you, and this is for our drinking water. So I'm gonna hook it up to the faucet and we'll hook it up to our water tank.
Kramer, are you helping? So it looks kind of ghetto, but what we do, we have this on our water tank. It's just like a nozzle, and we turn it on and off so it closes off. But then as it's filling up from the water fill, you can see it going up. Thanks y'all for watching. If you have any more questions or you want more information about some of the products we use to clean the van, or just any of the specific components that we've talked about here, including the apps that we've mentioned, be sure to check out our blog post. The link is down below. It's over on our website, so check it out, and yeah. Thanks y'all for watching. If you want more information about the apps we've mentioned or any of the specific components, including like our toilet or a few of our cleaning supplies, we have this all linked up over on a blog post. So check it out. It's down below, and be sure to say hi over there.
So if you like this video, or maybe you just really are passionate about chores, Be sure to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot. And if you're over on Instagram, follow us at letsbe_us over on Instagram. We post some pretty fun things, I think, and behind the scene things. So yeah, with all that said, I guess we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.